In this video, we are going to cover how to edit structures using inSTATICS. One useful function is to edit the supports of a structure. Supports can be easily switched to other types using the toolbar, the top menu, or the shortcuts Shift 1, 2, 3, or 4. Free nodes cannot be converted to supports. Supports can also be rotated in 4 different directions: up, down, left, and right. This can also be achieved by shortcut Shift and cursor keys. Frames can be edited in a similar way. By default, frames are connected to each other with fixed connections. If you wish to add a hinge to the start, the end, or both ends of a frame, you can select the frame and select the hinge state from the toolbar or the top menu. You can also use the shortcut Shift 1, 2, 3 to edit the hinge state. You can also use Shift tilde to remove the hinges on the frame. By default, the top or left node of a frame is assigned as the left end. Sometimes, you may want to change this default behavior as the sign convention of moments and shears depend on the direction of the beam. To achieve this, you can select a frame and click this toolbar icon. Or you can simply use the shortcut Shift space. In some instances, we may want to split a frame into 2 with a free node. Keep in mind that you cannot connect to the middle of a frame if there are no nodes available. You also cannot simply place a free node on the existing frame. If you do this, the free node will behave independently. You can, however, split a frame with a free node using this function. Select a frame and click this icon. You can also use the shortcut Shift-T. We have several options to split the selected frames. You can provide the distance from the left end of the frame in meters. Let us split this frame at 2 meters so we can connect it to the frame on the right. However, this function may be less useful with angled elements or elements with uneven lengths. Then you can use split by fraction. I will put down 0.5 to split the selected frames in the midpoint. One can also split the frame at the root of certain diagrams. You can move the nodes and, by extension, the frames that connect to those nodes. There are several ways of moving nodes. You can select the nodes and then select this icon from the toolbar, or use the shortcut Shift-M. This will change the shape of the mouse cursor. In this mode, you will click 2 points to move the selected nodes and the frames connecting to them. You can also use numerical values to move your elements. For this, select the nodes, then click this icon in the toolbar. Or use the shortcut Shift-M as opposed to Control-M. Here you can provide the distance in the coordinate system. There is also the option of moving a single node to a given location. For this, you will need to select one node only and then provide the coordinate. If you select multiple nodes, this function would move all of these selected nodes to the same coordinate. Therefore, moving multiple nodes to a given coordinate is not allowed. Finally, you can nudge selected nodes towards a direction with the shortcut Control arrow keys. This shortcut moves the selected nodes towards the given direction 1 meter. You can instead use Control Shift arrow keys to move them only 5 centimeters at a time. This allows you to shift nodes on the workspace with just a few keystrokes on the keyboard. When the nodes are loaded, loads also move with the nodes. This allows the user to simulate different loading conditions very fast. There are 2 other functions that are very similar to moving, which copy the selected elements instead. They have their toolbar icons here. You can also use Ctrl or Shift-C to copy elements. Ctrl-C allows you to copy with the mouse. Shift-C allows you to provide numerical values. In copy options, you can also select whether you wish to copy the loads as well. This function will be covered in a future video.